Hey guys, welcome to another day of me showcasing you how I trade. Today is Saturday of date 12, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's date 12 of July, and it's half of the month, almost half of the month. Next week, you're going to enter the half of the month. It's been a nice month already. I've not had a winner this month. I've just had three losers this month. One in my other account and two in my good funded account. And I want to show you how I journal my trades. And welcome to my showcasing of how I journal my trades. It has been a long time since I learned how to journal, and actually executing journaling has been rough because executing how you journal is hard. I don't have words to put it. It's like a reflection of yourself. You have to understand yourself in order to know how to journal and how to always own up to your mistakes, because journaling is a place to own up to your mistakes. When you make a mistake in terms of FOMO, in terms of fear, in terms of greed, it's a place where you understand that and you keep it in mind. So this is my trade template for the good funded account. Okay, this is not moving. I want it to move. So this is the template for my good funded account. As you can see, Tana Trading Journal, road to 200 million funding. Always have a dream, and one day I'll get there to journaling trades worth 2 million in funding. So it's good. So this is the journal, of course, and this is the daily process, and this is the God funded section of the template. And these are the trades I've taken in good funded since the account is new. And I want to show you some of the trades. The one I took on Tuesday. If you have watched my previous video, you have seen that trade. Here it is, and here it's how I journal it. And you can see from here I placed the date, the profit or loss that I got. Was it a winner? No, it was a loser. And the month was July. The trade status is done, and it was not a break-even trade. So when I press this link here, it takes me now to my analysis of the trade. So you can see this was the trade on July 8th, 2025. The reasons why I got into the trade: the bearish order block, bearish structure, bearish displacement, higher time frame plan, which I had, but now I made a mistake that cost me. And there's a short trade here, the loss here, the stop loss exit. I was uneasy during the trade. I documented it that I was uneasy, and I felt I wasn't comfortable because I knew my entry was higher, but my mistake was the FOMO. And now the FOMO kicked in, and I executed the trade at the wrong time, which is why you have to be clinical in your entries and exits. If you're not clinical, the market will be clinical to you. So now this is the before reasons for entry, everything that I thought about before I entered. And I had a clear exit, but as you can see, I did not write a clear entry. I always write a clear exit or a clear entry, but I did not have a clear entry, and just had a clear exit. And the exit plan was okay, but my entry was somewhere here. Let me see if I can zoom into this. Let me see. Let's see if it will load. As you can see, my entry was up here at this area, as I documented earlier in the last video. And I got in here, took the screenshot, and that's the part of FOMO. I should have just been more patient for better execution. And here we go. The trade got filled. I got taken out at stop loss. The trade came back to my entry where I wanted it, and we dropped down. I was taken out at stop loss. The current account matrix is 1% loss, and it was a nice trade. I held it to stop loss, followed my strategy, and I'll improve on the next trade. So it was a good session to journal. And I do not regret anything. So let's go back to my next trade. I had another trade, which was the trade at 11th, date 11, which was yesterday. Today is Saturday, and the trade was on Friday. This trade was okay. I took it. Actually, the trade has not hit stop loss or TP. The market closed at around entry, and it's not bad. It's not bad. I took the trade. It was a bearish order block. Everything was okay with this trade. I did not make a mistake. It was just a good execution. But the exit, my order block was violated. Price went back to entry, but I'm not sure it will continue to TP. Might go back to my to where my stop loss is, which is a 4-hour fair value gap somewhere there, and then drop. But I don't know. That's what we are going to look forward to on Monday. So this is the before, the bearish buyers with a clear bearish target. However, I feel cautious about the 4-hour fair value gap lying above my stop loss. So I write all this before I take the trade, because when I don't write, I usually feel odd about the trade. So I write everything first, and first instinct, everything that I felt, the first instinct was not to take this trade, but upon evaluation, I realized the trade was plausible. It was a good trade that I could have taken. The entry was nice, the exit was nice, but I was taken out at order block. So I got out because I felt that this trade might not have the strength to reach my TP, which means it might go back to entry, but it will take me out at stop loss. So at some point, so I decided, let me manage risk and get out of the trade. A good trader is one who knows how to get out of a trade when it doesn't work out. So that's what I did. Got out of the trade early, and currently I'm $70 down out of in a 5K account, which is $70, 1.45% there, and it's not bad. It's not bad. The entry and exits have been good in these trades, and the exits have been good. The entries not so much. So next week I want to be more clinical and more precise in my entries and exits, and to trade even better. I want to show you other trades that I've been executing this year. This year I've had the May 25th trade, another trade on May 9th, a lot of good trades. You can see I just document everything from the losses here. This is a loss, this is a winner here, this is another loss, and it has been a really nice. This is a winner, loss. It's been a really nice way to trade. Thinking that Notion is free and you can actually trade for free. That's a very good idea. And for the app, I'll recommend anyone to take Notion if you want to journal. So if you want to be guided how to journal, just go to YouTube and you'll learn how to use Notion. And Notion is really nice. And it's very aesthetic. It looks nice also, and it's good. So guys, we'll talk next week, and that's nice. Okay, one last thing, I want to show you my trading weekly reports. I have been okay, this is my trades that I've taken in the last few days, the last few months. Where are my weekly reports? I want to show you my weekly reports. Here. No. Okay, guys, let's finish. Adios. Peace.